Hello friends, welcome back to my memory channel. Today, as it is the second day of Navratri, we are going to discuss about Ma Brahmacharini. Ma Brahmacharini is the goddess who is worshipped on the second day of Navratri, the 9-day long festival in India that marks the battle between the good and evil, be it in the form of goddess Durga versus Mahishasura or Lord Rama and Rakshasa Ravana. It is one of the 9 avatars of goddess Durga. In this avatar, Durga embodies tapa and penance. The name Brahmacharini is derived from two words. Brahma here means tapa and penance, and Charini means an ardent female follower. After she immolated herself in sacrificial fire of the Yajna, Durga took birth as the daughter of king of mountains Himavan. She was named Parvati after the Hindu name for gods Parvat or Hemavati. When Parvati grew up, Seshnartha, son of Narada, son of Brahma, paid her a visit. He told her that she did not have a chance to marry her husband from her previous birth, Lord Shiva, if she followed a path of penance. Determined to marry Shiva in this birth as well, Parvati embarked upon an extremely difficult regime of penance and devotion. For 1,000 years, she ate only fruits and flowers. Therefore, for 100 years, she ate only vegetables, followed by 3,000 years of eating only fallen leaves. She slept on the floor of the forest under an open sky for years in order to successfully complete her tapa. Thus she earned name as Tapascharini or Brahmacharini, which means one who follows the path of tapa. Finally, she gave up eating fallen leaves as well and continued her penance without food and water for many years. Due to this act of giving up eating leaves, Parna in Sanskrit, she came to be known as Aparna. Due to thousands of years of penance, her body became extremely weak and fragile. Her mother, Maina, was deeply pained seeing her daughter in such a state, and out of sorrow she cried out, "O Ma." Since then, Parvati also came to be known as Uma. The news of such long and hard penance reached everywhere. In the end, Lord Brahma appeared in front of Parvati and told her that no one has observed tapa that the way she had. He also told her that only she could have undertaken such hardships as her love for Shiva was true and pure. He also blessed her that she would have Lord Shiva as her husband in this birth. Following her penance, Parvati came to be known as Ma Brahmacharini. Later, Lord Shiva accepted Parvati as his wife. In this avatar, she holds a rosary in her right hand and a kamandala, a utensil to hold the holy water, in her left hand. Devotees worship Ma Brahmacharini on the day of Navratri to provide them with the strength and determination to observe the 9-day fast while abstaining from food and sometimes even water. This avatar of Ma Durga teaches penance, devotion, restraint, and solitude. It teaches that one should not abandon his or her duties when faced with adversity. Devotees worship Ma Brahmacharini for virtue, peace, and prosperity, happiness, and nobility. Thank you, friends. Please do subscribe to our channel and like and share this video.